Hey, Dr. Dellinger, just wanted to give you the final update on the state of our game. We've made a few changes. Mostly, it's been a lot of juicing and oiling going on, but we got a few things working that we didn't have before. Namely, we got shaders working for our mini-map up there. We have a few changes made to the look of these, specifically the missile exhaust system that we have. We also made it run a lot better on Grove City computers because it was having trouble with the mixed lighting that the directional light was originally set to. I added lighting into the jet stream that we have coming off the jet. The actual engines create light now. There's been a few other things, but it's mostly been bug fixes. We also got the controls menu working properly. The Zeppelin is now working properly, if I could find it. It's upright now, or rather it's not upright anymore, and it goes around from base to base, basically just shooting missiles at the player, and it can die and everything like that. So yeah, it turns a little bit too fast still, but that's just something that we didn't really get to. But yeah, I mean, it's pretty much done. We spent most of this week just squishing little bugs and stuff that were being introduced. Right now the missiles are shooting too slow to outpace the Zeppelin, but that's not something that occurs on slower computers. Every once in a while it'll just mess up the missile physics on quick computers. But yeah, it's just about done, so thanks.